Hey, if you're struggling with oral pathology in BDS third year, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Manroop. I'm BDS final year student. How to start with oral pathology? Just to build your momentum, you should refer PYQ. I started with making notes of those short notes. So you won't believe I started with mucocele first and after that anug cellulitis. So this is how I started, but then I realized no, I need to cover whole chapters. I went through the PYQs and also cyst chapter was going on in our class, and after that developmental disorders and bronchogenic tumors and other topics, salivary gland tumors. So then I shifted to covering these first. I made proper notes. So this is how you should do it too. Make notes, refer your syllabus. So why is referring syllabus important? Because OP is so vast, syllabus of third year, and then keep picking the topics you're covering. You have to shift to the chapter from which one at least one question is asked every year. For example, dental caries, bacterial, fungal, and viral diseases. You also have covered those in second year. And other than that, there are chapters like forensic, from which at least one thing will be asked. Regressive alterations is also anemia, from which one question is sure it will be asked. So this is how you have to cover your syllabus. So next thing you have to do is refer your histodiagrams. You must be making a record file for your histology portion. So that is what you have to refer side by side while covering that particular topic, because that will really help you understand things, retain things. So first you have to read and then you have to make notes. You can make diagrams or refer from your practical file. And third thing is revisit your notes after like 2-3 days of completing them. Even a week, you have to revise them after a week. Don't get too late, because otherwise you'll forget everything. So once you have covered all the high yielding question, now go back to your PYQs to check what topic is left, then cover those things. How to revise everything after you've covered most high yielding portion or the majority of syllabus. Do active recall. Pick a chapter every single day, give it a reading, and then try to recall what you studied. Try to make a diagram of it. In diagram, you have to just study the main identification points so that you remember, you correlate with the theoretical portion of it. You can also blurt it out on a piece of paper. Whenever you forget something, you come back, give it a reading. You can also teach it to your friend, which will really help you out. So I'm showing you my own final paper, and this is the amount that you need to write in a short note to get 3 marks at least out of 4. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.